Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time our inner exploration is about the question what is knowledge and its relationship with truth. We see knowledge is needed in our day-to-day life. The know-how of anything is known as knowledge. We are very much interested to acquire knowledge. That's why we are going to the schools and colleges to acquire knowledge. For example, driving a car is a kind of knowledge. Similarly, how to make anything. For that, knowledge is needed. To use knowledge, we are using our thoughts. So, to be knowledgeable, thoughts are used. Already we have released a video what part thoughts play in our life. Thoughts can be constructive and also destructive. The same characteristic knowledge has. Knowledge has been useful and somewhere it is not useful at all. Wherever psychological problems are there, knowledge is not useful. For that, an insight into the present is needed. To solve any psychological problems, simply know-how is not useful. For that, a clarity about the things are to be needed. Knowledge is very much limited. Knowledge cannot solve all of our problems. That's why a deep insight known as wisdom is also needed. We are adding knowledge day to day. Enormous knowledge we have gathered, but still we are faced with a lot of problems. For example, wars are happening here. Still racism here. Poverty is here. Now we have to ask this question, why we are not in a position to solve all these problems. These problems cannot be solved by using our own knowledge. Because to drop atom bombs or to produce atom bombs, we are using the knowledge. The know-how of biological wars. How virus can be used in a destructive way. That also comes under knowledge. Knowledge can be for life. It can be against life also. How to destroy the forest. Much knowledge can be used. How to kill the human beings. Once again, there also knowledge is used. But how to be peaceful? Here, knowledge may not be useful. Here, some other inquiry is needed. We say knowledge is very much limited. That's why it becomes very easy to acquire knowledge and it has only limited use. Today's knowledge is useful only today. Tomorrow, this knowledge will be outdated. Again, we need some other form of knowledge. Knowledge is a process from known to known. We say life consists of unknown aspects also. Now, what about those unknowable? There, knowledge does not work at all. Some other dimension of inquiry is needed. Some other insight is needed. Perception is needed. The holistic understanding is needed. So, as a spiritual person, where to apply knowledge and where not to apply knowledge has become very important. That is what a meditative mind does. Simply relying on knowledge, we will not be able to solve all the problems. For that, we must have wisdom at hand. Then only the problems which we are facing today can be dealt with. How a human being can become compassionate. Knowledge does not help here. How we will bring goodness to our life. Knowledge does not help. For that, a great insight is needed. A perception is needed. Looking into close quarters of life is needed. That is what we are calling as an alert and a meditative mind. So by an alert and meditative mind, we will be able to solve most of the problems which we are facing. Why human beings are not progressing psychologically? Because we are depending upon knowledge too much. Hence, we are bound by knowledge, which is only limited. Sometimes we have to be free from knowledge also. That part is also to be given importance. For that, we have to be a seeker of wisdom that is timeless. Once again, we will come up with another one video describing another one aspect of life.